Hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In this video I will show you how to play DT. Now what is DT? For example, let's go to a Nusu game. Let's go for a normal one and click on solo. For example, let's go and play this one. And yeah, so as you can see, for example, this map is pretty decent for me. I can play it if I was fully concentrated, but because I'm playing while recording, I'm not really concentrated, so I can fail sometimes. But for example, you were like a pro player of Oso and you really didn't find any beat map that will kind of be like challenging for you, or like even the hardest beatmaps are like super easy, not super easy, let's like be realistic, but let's say like they are not that challenging and you can do them, like get evenness every time you play them. So how can you make your game more challenging? Well, there's this option called DT, which is the double time, which makes every map like in the game twice faster. So how can you do so? First of all, click on any map on Urso and then go to mods, and then from here you can see that you can double the time from difficulty increase and click on this one. So after you did so, let's go again and click on this one. You will have to see it in here, so if it shows up in here, that means the game is working. So now as you can see, it is so much faster. I can't redo it. And what does this like DT thingy help you with is it gives you it makes you actually it makes you, not gives you, it makes you get more PP, which is the points, the points in the game. And these points in the game will make you go higher ranks and be ranking in the top 10 people or stuff like that. So if you were looking to be like the top player of this game and you were looking to farm PP even faster, you can just click on modes and then click on the double time and then join any map you have, like the hardest one, and try to play it with the double time. And I'm not sure if you can actually play it, but if you do so guys, please leave me a comment down below. And that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.